Today we're conducting our March of the Spartans, which is a mass launch of 7 C-27J aircraft from our home base here at Amberley. Today is important because it demonstrates our preparedness for the high-risk weather season coming up at the end of 2021. It demonstrates the hard work that the Squadron put in to getting as many aircraft ready and flyable at the same time, and showing that we are ready to support Australia and its needs in approaching our summer season.
Today I think is so special for 35 Squadron because in the last 2 years, the myriad of challenges in this COVID environment, 35 Squadron has just continued to go from strength to strength, really beginning to highlight the unique capability of the C-27J. Launching 7 aircraft simultaneously with an 8 aircraft on task in the region is something that not only has never been done before by 35 Squadron, but has never been done before by any other C-27J operator in the world. As Commanding Officer 35 Squadron, I'm so proud of the 35 Squadron team. Today really showcases the capability of the C-27J Spartan, not only for Air Force, but for the wider Australian community.